hear Giselle is over in Greensboro and that we've been in a ghost town, but I hear that you're actually preparing for a breakfast for some people that need shelter. So I'd love to hear about that, Giselle.
Yes, and with the road conditions that you were mentioning, it's a similar thing that's happening here. So normally this kitchen will be full with lots of different churches, but we know that because the roads are so treacherous, that's why now we have some staff members. I know I have Bruce right here behind me who's doing some preparations right here. I'm also here with Miss Tyra Clymer. She's the director for spiritual care here at Greensboro Urban Ministry. I wanted to ask, I know this is that real beginning process of the day as we're getting food out to people in the shelters. Tell us a little bit about just the importance of having this and why we need to make sure that we're able to get food in bellies for people who need it the most.
Sure. Well, this is a time when a lot of the restaurants are closed as well. And so we welcome anyone in the community to come by and get a meal today. Bruce is preparing the meals for the church as well as for the folks who are staying here with us. We will even see some families come because the kids are out of school, and so the parents are going to need some extra food in their refrigerators to keep the kids' bellies warm and full too.
That's exactly what I wanted to talk about, because I know here you guys not only have the shelter services, but then also we have that client food choice pantry where families can line up and do their own shopping for their families. Tell me about the influx of people that you've seen. I know whenever I show up, that line is out the door.
Yes, and that is normal. That is normal for us. Daily, we provide at least 200 families and individuals with groceries. They get to come in, pick out those items themselves so they can cater the meals to their needs. But we're especially proud because we know that while kids are out, again, the families will need some extra support. And so we have rearranged our hours so that we can open up when it gets warmer. The temperatures go up during the day, and we're staying open a little later as well.
Wow. And I know, just reiterating, as you guys were seeing all the preparation being made here, it all comes back to this process that's right over here where you can see that completed bag that has all the extra additives, where we have the drink, also the cereal, just making a complete meal. We know this is going to be given out to about 300 of people who are in shelters across Greensboro, but also right here at Greensboro Urban Ministry. Also 7 is when we're going to see GPD come up, and they're going to bring these bags and distribute it out to the community. Live in Greensboro, Giselle Thomas, WFMY News 2.